What?
What?
Hello my people, on a day with the sub. It's your boy OBIKING and I'm back again with another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, I beg, when I watch this video to the very end, because trust me, it will make sense. It will really make sense, you understand? So make sure you subscribe, it's very important. Subscribe, drop nice comment and share this video. You get a point now. So don't play my people. Let's go have some fun.
You won't tell me how to manage my boss. Hello? What do you want in the rush? I beg, hope so nobody for your job being so. I don't want to condone what I condoned yesterday. I beg.
I'm not chopping, so now my I chop.
Hold up.
Now the same thing now.
My being something the same thing.
What
is wrong with you now? What's wrong with you?
Young man, is that the right way to talk, to address your passenger?
Okay, keep quiet. If I talk to people who get work, you can't be talking to me. Keep quiet.
Young man, I don't blame you. Look at my khaki. I had a flat tire. That's why I bought your vehicle.
Look at you. It isn't about khaki. Khaki full everywhere. Me, I get Lexus khaki. But the car don't get them.
Look at this young man. You think I'm as jobless as your father?
Yeah.
Let me tell you, I'm a trader. And I trade on my Bitcoin with downtown.
Jesus Christ! Driver, why you go match break like that? Now you won't kill me.
I wonder.
Okay, wait. You dey trade with downtown?
I do.
Downtown where you see so. Now #1 when it comes to trading of all digital assets and Bitcoin. That my brother will buy me this my keke. Now there when they trade.
In fact, there's a trade and end campaign ongoing that started on the 11th of August and will end on the 30th of November. Within this period, if you make trade at downtown, you stand a chance to win up to 500,000 naira weekly. In fact, let me shock you. The more you trade, the more your chances of winning. So to make an extra money on the side, downtown dey for you.
Now downtown they control this town.
With your bad character, you will not go far.
Oga, easy now.
Condemn.
I better make I carry this guy.
Which kind of driver with this one now?
Come.
Come on, behave yourself. Who be this?
Come, I carry go. Where you go?
Let me condense they go.
Yes. Now condense me, they go to now. Where they go? Okay, your motor down full now. Just one passenger I get. Huh? Why they drive like this now?
What's up with you now?
Driver, all this for one passenger. Where they go? Condense. Hey, I'll carry you now.
I they go condense. Where do you want to enter?
That's my boss.
Okay, very good person. You go behave yourself. You go.
Leave and make they go now.
You know what? You don't know me. You say here.
The way this driver they behave.
Which kind of nonsense driver Sabinus?
You don't know me.
One man became.
Hey. Yeah. Okay, my passengers.
It is in a play.
They left. Hey. You don't go better for this man. Bros, you see what I sacrificed for you. Which side did they go?
Condense
na 500 more they go.
Okay. My papa and mama don't die. You help me now.
You want to join your papa and mama where them they?
No.
Hi, Jesus, allow me to avoid some people now. Who be this? Who they talk?
Not me.
Now because of you, I chop punch for this place. I know they respect myself for this country. I know they
Because of person who won't make you carry and free, you lose all your passengers. Sabinus, you don't get sense.
Good afternoon. Yeah? I wanted you to go and buy Gary for me outside the estate gate, but you know what? Go and check this people that I put on fire. They are small boy, take care. I need to go and buy Gary outside the estate gate. Do fast before your mama find you.
Daddy, what's going on?
What's going on here?
This is my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
Yes, Daddy.
I don't understand. I know you used to say you love children. Is that why you want to do child abuse?
See, don't look at me that way. Which kind of tip be that one now? I be like something looking for your eye. You don't look face. Which kind of tip be that one now? You never check where I even get that tip past you. Don't talk go up, you talk down.
So this is your boyfriend?
Yes, Daddy.
No problem. So why is he here?
Daddy, he came to see you and get your blessing.
Oh, you people want my blessings?
Yes, Daddy.
No problem,
Daddy, where are you going to?
You won't go bring him.
I want to go and check my soup now.
Oh, Daddy, you've not given us your blessing.
Don't worry, I'm not going to need them.
Let's have it.
Long distance relationship, no they last.
Long distance relationship is a scam.
Yes, what's up, guys?
These children, no even tell me say, oh, you don't finish for us. And now they cook, now no oil again. And they even hear say that oil don't cost. Should be now 3,000 in the seller. Hey, my sister, you see I say oil don't come down. My sister, now start
see Amo. You see how God they carry do something.
I buy small rubber yesterday, 2,000 naira.
Mama, no, I go buy it for you.
I'm going to take now. Ah, this one where you say go buy, I'm going to know wahala.
Your mom she no say the thing don't come down.
Okay, I said that too, Abby.
Yeah, I need those two.
Madam, I won't buy all you.
Okay, my pikin, they come.
Oh, what kind of problem is this? Madam, I'm so sorry. There's no money in my account now. And I've not traded my gift card. I know you don't know anything about gift card. That one why they owe you, once I trade my gift card, I will give you back.
Now me, they tell say I don't know what in be gift card.
But now small shop you get now, waiting concern you and gift card.
You never hear about carding?
No.
Carding are the most reliable platform where you fit trade your gift card. And then they're very fast and straightforward. You fit download them whether not for Apple Store or Play Store. You did there. I know where it's sweet pass. If you can't use the promo code funny, instant 3,000 they enter your wallet. Esa, hey, Ima, you say you want buy all Yabi?
Yes, take look at use this one, guys.
Okay.
Man, if you say Nigeria and country, we say they function. Why grown up man like you would they behave like gorilla?
Rosa, for no my money now. I don't pay your money now. Rosa, never pay me. Give my money, I give it to you. Which can't see me this one?
Who goes see?
Carry that leg up.
Someone raise up my leg.
I go shout thief for.
Never they shout thief, Kwan.
Oh.
Hey, my shit.
Can let this money come on here. Can let them.
You're a thief.
Hey, Dave. Let's never say this money. You say I don't go cheat.
Person go suffer finish. One finish. You go come spoil the person enjoyment.
Thunder fire you.
Can you imagine?
Babe, try it on your boyfriend. That's actually how I got married. Oh. No, they doll. No, they doll though.
Alright, go.
Wait till they worry this guy now. Why you?
Babe,
I'm gonna watch.
Yes?
there is this game I would like us to play.
Yeah, sure. That is very romantic of you.
So this is the game. I will give you a role to act. You will give me a role to act. But it got starts from you first.
Yeah, sure.
So this is how it goes. You will go outside and act like you just came back home. And I will ask you to get me iPhone 17 Pro Max 1 terabyte. Babe. Cool now.
Okay.
God have mercy upon us.
Babe, you can come inside.
My guy don't come out. You don't go.
Babe.
You wise pass the girls. One of you date me, Abi.
Babe.
You don't pursue him by
I'm a better
yourself.
person now you meet me at this single. By the time you don't wear one hair for more than 1 year.
You want me to buy an iPhone 17 Pro Max for you, Mumu? I am the general. Now fight, you go fight. Now nothing again. Master Chifu.
When I observe that guy. Observe him. Who you be now? Bros. Nobody. Who you be? Observe that bag. Give me that bag. Give me the bag. Stop the bag. Wait till this side. Hi. This guy. Let him be this. Let him be this. Oh, Balo, this man.
Drunken master.
I'm at peace.
Drunken master. Drunken master.
So you just get area, they carry drink up and down. You don't get anything what we say, use chop and be no guy. Alpha!
My gosh. This guy is trying, like he's really trying. Don't break my guy head. Hey!
What?
What's in this?
Any problem?
I'm so sorry. The thing is, I just started driving, so I'm trying to reverse back, but...
Oh, you're trying to reverse?
I'm not getting a hang of it yet.
That's fine, that's fine.
Oh my
I can
God.
help you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, not a problem.
Oh my God.
No problem. You want to sit?
Okay,
So
yeah.
I can just show you a little bit. Yeah.
I might just learn in the process.
That's okay.
Okay.
That's okay. So it's very simple.
God. You don't mean it.
Very simple.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Oh, you're very welcome. You're
This
very
is so
welcome.
kind of you. Sorry, just yeah. This is so kind of you. Oh, thank you.
Do you live here?
So the thing is, I don't actually live here. I came to see someone, and I'll just be leaving very soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, you're really pretty. I don't know if I can take your number and take you out sometime.
Okay, just give me 1 second.
Okay. Oh no, I didn't call my number yet. Jesus.
So the thing is, I'm trying to call Papa to make sure that this is okay, that I can actually go out with you.
Your dad.
Oh no, by Papa, I mean my spiritual father. I have to inform him before I go out with you.
Okay, your spiritual father.
Yeah, but his number is not quite going, so let me try my youth pastor to make sure.
You don't go leave this one.
His number is also not going. Well, this was all kind of you, but honestly, if I don't tell my spiritual fathers about going out with a man, I tend to know what to do with.
It's not today, like later on.
And you're so kind.
God, come out now.
God help me,
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
God help me.
Spiritual father.
God help me.
That shall never end.
That shall never end.
You have to call Papa. Oh God.
You don't go leave and they go where you go. Now you get time. Go when you just obtain.
I told you that I will,
Hey! See money up!
Alright, Chief.
Thank you so much, baby. Thank you, you're so sweet.
Women.
Thank you for what?
For the money now.
Which money?
I texted you last night that I needed money for shopping.
Oh. You were making plans for shopping on another person's money. Give me the money. Give me this money, bro. This money is for rent. I mean, do you want to sleep under the bridge? You were making plans for shopping with another person's money, landlord's money.
Calm down. Because you don't know.
Sit down.
Okay.
Marry me.
Oh, this is so sweet. I've been waiting for this for a long time.
It isn't a play.
Guess what?
What is that?
Guess what?
Tell me, what is that?
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant.
Are you for real? Babe, stop. You want to spoil my pregnancy?
Small, but my bikini.
Surprise!
Get out.
Are you follow something?
Let's watch this video.
You don't go.
Mercy upon us.
You go cry.
Let's put the course. Your name is sorry. Sunday, go.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my learned colleague.
I don't know. Can I get some cucumbers?
Oh, you mean Kumis sativus?
No, I just want cucumber.
Yeah. That is it. Yes, Kumis sativus. Do you know it keeps your body hydrated? Do you know it helps digestion and prevents constipation? Just in case you like to constipate, you can go for this. Solanum etopicum.
You mean got the egg?
I wonder.
Yeah, Solanum etopicum. And let me tell you, do you know it helps to regulate your blood sugar levels? Yeah. Do you know it's low in calories and helps with weight management? Look at me. Looking fit.
Obviously.
You see, you know. But just in case you feel this might be too bitter for you, you can go for this.
Popo.
No. Carica papaya.
Carica papaya.
Do you know it's good for protein digestion?
One man.
Do you know it's rich in vitamin A for your eyes health? Guess what, my brother?
I beg.
You want it?
Can I just get pineapple?
Oh, do you mean ananas comosus?
It is pineapple.
Yeah, ananas comosus.
Botanical name.
Do you know it promotes bone strength?
You never see anything.
And do you know it's also rich in vitamin C, just like carica papaya? But I advise you go for carica papaya instead of this. Because this, looking at you, you look like an ulcer patient. Yeah, I'm sure. So I would strongly advise you go for
one man begins.
Citrulus lanatus.
I don't want to talk right now.
You know it helps the skin and hair with vitamin A and vitamin C because 90 to 100% of it is water content. And also, it helps reduce the risk of cancer.
Hello. Can I just get fruit? Is that too much to ask? You tell me all this one now. I just need fruit. Just give me any one.
Why are you shouting? You're yelling. I'm trying to help you with your health.
I don't need your help.
You need to understand what you're taking into your system.
Now my go judge you. Go punish you.
What do you
know what? I don't want again. Just get out. Go and eat it yourself.
He's crying.
He's never ready to make sure.
Anyways, you're not the 10th, the 15th, or the 20th customers to work out on me today. I don't care. I know my customer is going to come eventually.
You never did serious, man.
You can keep the change.
Whoa, keep the change.
Excuse me.
Who are you?
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Please, are you Miss Cathy?
Yes, I'm Miss Cathy.
Okay, please, can you have a delivery from your boyfriend?
Oh my God, this boy is so full of surprises. I just left his house now.
Wow.
Here.
Sure, send our boyfriend.
Ma, your boyfriend say make I return the socks, the hairnet, the hair, the lip gloss.
Where you live
lip
for your
gloss,
house?
the glasses and the brush where you live for your house. He say una just begin to the date. Now you don't drop something for your house. And he say that in polo where you thief. So make you give me make I return am. As he be so now, he pay for coming for my delivery. Now you go pay make I go back. See your things. I don't do my job.
Wait, I don't understand.
Bye.
Please hold on. Wait. Wait. How won't they do this thing now?
I don't know.
Come here. What is your job again?
Delivery girl.
See, next time you don't go put your mouth where no concern you. Relationship problem they solve by their self. Come look me well, the next time they go say they come deliver something to me again, you come. I go see look my face. I get very big anger issue, and I go keep it on.
Delivery girl now. Why you resist her?
I go look at you.
I'm well done, Chief. I can see your money in good faith.
We have tribulars, politician, sporty bet boy, Yahoo boy. They want to do competition. Politician don't para. We can $5 million. Everybody vote for me. I am the richest politician in Africa. Yahoo boy don't para. He's a waiter for the sum of $10 million. Let everybody go home. It's going now, your mate. Sporty bet boy don't para. He said everybody calm down. My game is on the way. 5K to win $100 million. Oh my God. He's a manager for the sum of $50 million. Let everybody go home. My you don't win. Sporty bet now, your mate. Everybody don't shock.
You know be shock we get. Your money na less, so you will get it. Minister of Abuja, they play.
Sweet boy. Okay. How was your night?
My night was fine. You're too sweet.
I can see. My money, I'll start going.
Oh.
Continue.
Give me 1 minute.
Then I they pay me and they waiting me this.
You?
Wow. Thank you very much. No problem.
Yeah.
Now $1 you give this girl.
Boy.
Me sweet boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, take this $200. This is your transport.
Oh, you're the sweetest boy ever.
This girl, you wait till they help me. Oh yeah, take this one on Bible Street.
Wow, you're such a darling.
Me, darling, I will give you everything.
What you want to do? So they spend the money anyhow. For just ritual what you do yesterday.
Wait, I don't understand. What did they find for you?
What's going on here?
You know how many dollars what you give that girl?
Can you imagine?
We just $700 I give the girl.
Oh, $700 they call Joss. You know how much for Nigerian money?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. You can do.
Okay.
Run. Let's have it.
Baba, which kind of rubbish is this one now? You just they disturb me. Just they follow. Why they follow me up and down? Just because person do ritual and not allow me rest.
Never say anything.
I said I won't buy a car now since yesterday. You don't allow me to buy a car. I said I won't buy a house. You don't allow me to buy a house. Now I will tell you this since now. You still they disturb me for you. Why?
When I drew, that's everywhere cool. What did you do? How much you rent this hotel?
I don't understand. What's it concern shrine with hotel? Say be a balance, be be accountant.
God, now dollars they spend.
We just
don't forget say now go to now to do the ritual.
Oh Jesus.
So because we use goat for ritual now, may I spend kobo?
Money not too much for our side though. Now manage with the manager because of this economy.
Wait, economy affect my ritual?
Because they follow you now so that you feel abide to the rules. You don't need to spend money anyhow.
Papa, why you not tell me before I start now? Why you not tell me before I do the ritual?
Because anything you want to do, now we're going to tell you. If you want to buy car, now we're going to tell you.
No, it happen. I don't do again.
Just the
Do you know the consequence?
We just pray.
Take $1, forget consequences.
You are even bribing the gods with dollars.
Yeah, Papa, no verse. I just give it down, may you just use our whole body. No tell Oracle say they spend too much. I beg.
You don't know what you are joking with.
Papa, you put the $1 for your pocket too.
Yes, I have to. Because I have to show it to the gods to know the kind of currency you are spending on earth.
I mean, yeah, I go call Burundi change. May I change them to Naira?
No.
I go check my dollars.
Rango, Otila. Go on, carry the one.
Let's watch this video.
What you do for?
Now my dollars.
Take urgent 2K for tomorrow.
Now Naira be this one.
Spend it wisely.
Say that because of goat why I use now why they do me like this?
Which kind?
I don't go green.
Which kind of nonsense is this one?
And they never leave you. They have left you.
I've left you behind, brother.
You they use your function to play. You they use your generation to play.
Babe, now I've been waiting for you since. Oh yeah, take. This is the mini soup I have left here. So you can see. It's still enough. Yeah, take. So once you're done with it, let me to wash my pot too. Wash it very well, yeah? I'm coming. Yeah?
The type of
Babe.
guys.
Oh, you don't have to now. But wait, oh babe, we know the one that was complaining that you don't have money recently. No. You know what?
Now this type me I want to
take this one. Yes. This one is enough for me. And again, it's not too much, don't worry. My house is not far. I'll just take bike to my place. You understand? So just use the many one to get something for yourself.
Me I want.
You understand? I'll come and check up on you later, yeah? I'm coming. Oh, babe, how are you feeling now? Yeah? Are you still feeling feverish? Let me see. Food is hot though. Sorry. Okay, but do you have any food in the house? You know what? I brought you.
Give me food.
I brought you something. Yeah.
Bread.
Okay, bread. So you take this one this morning, yeah? Then after that, you take this many things. This is the main one I have in the house. You understand? So
this kind of girls I want.
Please make sure
girls where they caring and loving.
I'll call you. Yeah. So if there's anything, just let me know, yeah? Yeah, no. Just go, yeah? Take care. Hey babe, these are your clothes.
Guys.
So this is your towel.
They never finish.
And the other jeans are down there. And also that your suits you're talking about, I already pressed them for you. So I'll bring them later for you, yeah? And make sure you arrange your clothes well because I know you like to handle your things. Bye bye. Hello.
Hi, hello.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. How can I help you?
Sorry, I'm looking for Daniel.
My boyfriend is sleeping. Any problem?
I was treated like a house help. I was regarded like a friend.
You don't leave and go carry body.
Was not there. I was always in a sorrowful spirit.
You don't carry and go. You don't leave and go carry body.
Yes, okay.
If you want run now, Mumu. If you want run, but you don't forget say bike man carry him bag. If not me be the bike man, I no go even call and say I go carry him bag. They go. It's just as simple as that. So guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. So tell me now, what's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And for people who are coming across my channel for the very first time and you watched to this very point, it means you really enjoyed it. So make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share this video. It's very important. You get, and you can as well check out my other videos. They will pop up on your screen. So check them out. You love them. Trust me on that. So see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.